For Premier Dazzles kit for February 2018, here are the new Dazzles. As you know, every month members get 4 of them, and these are released to members before anyone else on the planet. So this one has the roses. Now these are the engraved Dazzles. They are on a clear material. And look how pretty. Do you see that engraving? Oh, gorgeous. And these are our new favorites, so you can see those. Also, we have some absolutely charming octopi. Yes, octopuses. I'm a sucker for you. Lots of hugs, some really charming things. This is the new Illuminate. Well, it won't be new until April, but of course members get them first. And this is in a gold metallic, really pretty. Then our never before seen Dazzles are the retro camper in a very stylish pink with gold foiling. How fun is that? Of course, the newsletter in full color is going to give you ideas for using everything, and it's just so much fun to really kickstart your creativity. Members receive a members-only offer that they're going to get at a discounted price, and there are also included papers. Now, the papers are really designed to go with the Dazzles. I will tell you, these first 3 are part of the Illuminate paper pack that go with those great big Dazzles. And there are more in here to complete the set. In addition, members get something extra. The something extra is this mini milk carton. Well, let me show you how it's used. Look at that. Isn't that fun? You can ink it, you can cover it with paper, you can put a Dazzle on it. Very, very fun. Happy trails. Isn't that cute? Use it for all sorts of things. We give you some ideas in the newsletter. So that is our extra little gift, but let me show you the projects. Here it is using the engraved Dazzles. Isn't this pretty? A gatefold card. Isn't that just stunning? So easy, and we'll show you how to do color behind them also. Isn't that gorgeous? Our little octopus, well, Debbie decided to put it on a wobble spring. So not only is he cute and smiley, he's also wiggly. Isn't it pretty against those papers? And we'll show you what was used. I think it was stickles to give some shine to those hearts and bubbles. And here we go on inside with lots of hugs. Very appropriate, don't you think, for an octopus? And our Illuminate Dazzles, aren't they pretty? I love how they can interact with the art on the paper. Just so pretty. Wow, gorgeous. And here is another one. It's just so nice to get those ideas because that might just take you in a different direction, something maybe you hadn't thought of, and nice to have everything all together. So that's what we have in February. Now, because this is a Premier Club, as really all of our subscription kits are Premier, that means that you're going to get them, well, members are going to get them before anyone else on the planet. If you'd like to join us, just go to paperwishes.com, go to the bottom, and you'll see the monthly kits. Click on that, and it will take you to Dazzles or scrapbooking or card making or cutting guys or any of the others that you'd love to join. We would absolutely love to have you with us.